In this video, we are going to see how we can get the YouTube Studio application for an iPhone. It's a pretty straightforward and simple process here, guys, and I'm going to tell you how to do it on the latest iOS, but it will work for all the other iOS devices as well. So what we need to do is just head over to the App Store. Here it is. We click on that, and down here we can see the search. You will simply write here YouTube Studio. Now all the popular apps are already available on the iOS Play Store as well. So you will find the YouTube Studio right here. Click on Get next to it. And it might ask you for the password confirmation in order to continue. That's a security feature on iPhone. And after that, it will start installing it for you. And once that is installed, you will get this button changed to open. Click on that. You can click on Get Started. You can sign in with your credentials. And that is how we do it. I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. And I will see you in the next one.